Story time. This is the walls in Nashville. It's closed down now. Back in them days, prison was a different place. You know, you hear a lot of people say you put two convicts together, they figure out just about anything. And this is true. Well, at Brushy Mountain, a baby deer had fell over the wall, and the convicts got it and they wanted to raise it. And somehow or another, the convicts got it on the bus with them and transferred it to Nashville with them. And so they were raising this deer. And one thing this deer really loved was ice cream. Back in, if you went to the commissary, you could get some ice cream. And they said people would go up there and they'd get the ice cream. They'd be walking back, and Geronimo was his name, and he'd come up behind them and he'd want some of that ice cream. And if you told him no, or you didn't give him any of that ice cream, he'd get up on his hind legs and he'd box you out and take your ice cream. True story. They trained this deer to be a convict all the way around. They also had some cats there. They said it's the biggest cats you ever saw. And they'd fight and all kind of stuff. Convicts are very crafty. True story.